Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So your Jules Emily here. And before we go any further in this video, please don't forget to join the Jules Emily family. We're on the road to 1K. Guys, so to start off today's look, I'm gonna take my BMM palette, and this is from the Melanin Fantasy Eyeshadow palette, which is a black owned eyeshadow palette. And if you'd like to check them out, you can definitely check her out on Instagram. To start off this look, I did go in with this shade first, then I took this orange shade right here. To prime my eyes, I'm taking my usual p.louise base, and this is Rumor number 6. Make sure you have enough product on the lid. I'm just gonna blend that out using a sponge. A subscriber did ask me to recreate this look. The first shade called Sweet Brown, and I'm just gonna pat that on. The next shade I'm gonna take is Strong. This palette is very easy to blend out. I'm just blowing out that dark shade. Then, because I want to darken up the outer corner and I didn't want to go in with that shade first, I'm gonna take my Tati beauty palette, and I'm going to just dab a little into that, and then I'm just gonna pat this on the outer corner. Nothing too harsh. Going back in with the brown shade that I started off with to just blend up. I don't want this color too harsh. And you can continuously blend until you're happy with the color payoff. Going back in with the brush that had the orange shade on it, not taking up any more product, and I'm just blending out that brown shade so it's seamlessly blended. I have this look. I'm gonna take my cotton ball, clean up this, and be right back with you guys on camera. First thing I'm gonna take is my Prime and Define by p.louise, and this is a silver metallic base that I'm gonna use as a liner today. I'm gonna take my p.louise crisp finish base, and this one is Tango Tease, and I'm just gonna use this to carve one last time. From the p.louise sandwich palette, I'm gonna take this shade right here called Butter Up, after which I'm gonna take this shade called Smoking right here. Taking the shade Butter Up, I'm now going to take my Inglot liner in number 77, do my wing line. For my mascara today, I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Top Push Up Lash. Now that I have completed my eyes on camera with you guys, I'm gonna do my face base and be right back with you guys. So I have finished my base-ish by applying primer, foundation, concealer. So I haven't set anything, so I'm gonna set on camera with you guys because a special subscriber had asked me to compare the Charlotte Tilbury face powders in 3 and 4. So one side I'm gonna do that and one side I'm gonna do that. But before I jump right into that, I want to set my under eye using my Huda Beauty setting powder in Banana before I jump right into that. So I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty setting powder in Banana. This is what it looks like to set my concealed areas or places that I put concealer. That just went right up my nose. To bronze up my face today, I'm gonna take my XX Revolution bronzer in Vestige. And I'm using my Peaches and Cream angled brush as usual. So these are my two powders, and this is number 3 and this is number 4 for the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder. And I'm going to show you guys once again the shade and then give you 2 swatches. So right here is number 3 and right here is number 4 in the Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. So I'm going to swatch number 3. So that's number 3 right here. So this is number 3 and this is number 4. So I have a clean brush, so nothing is manipulated. So I have 2 clean brushes right here. One's from Black Up and one is from Peaches and Cream. Number 3 on this side. And that's number 3. And I'm using this to set my face. Now taking number 4, which is the darkest shade, and also the new shade that's in the collection, taking number 4 and just putting that on this side of my face. So this side is where number 3 is at, and this side is where number 4 is at. You guys can be the judge on which side you guys do prefer with the micro powder, so you guys can definitely make your decision from there if you are interested in purchasing this powder. I'm going to say this powder is impeccable and finely milled. For those who would like to know some of my perfect shade foundations, I would have to say some of my perfect shades are Juvia's Place Burkina, Elf Cocoa, NARS Macau, Too Faced Chai, and Estee Lauder Sandalwood. They both look beautiful to me, but I like this side more. I like this side more than number 3. They both can be worn because they both still look beautiful. I reached the end of my video. I hope you guys did enjoy this little video. So this can easily be a fall glam. It is a nice smoked out, dark on the outside and bold on the inside type of look. I'm really feeling it. I've done it already, but I'm now bringing the tutorial to you guys. So I didn't remember every single thing that I used, and obviously I kind of changed up my face too because I was trying to compare the number 3 side and the number 4 side. But as I said, you guys can definitely comment down below and let me know which side you guys do prefer. And is Charlotte Tilbury a brand that you guys ever consider purchasing from, or at least owning 1 or 2 items from it? Charlotte Tilbury is personally my favorite brand, if you guys have not noticed that already. But
if looks could kill, baby, you'd be an AK, shooting me down on a daily. I'll take a bullet for you, baby.